Scots, I'm Isabella.
And welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Celeste.
Let's get our show started with some school announcements for this beautiful Friday.
But first, did you guys know no school next Monday? I'm happy and excited for a 3-day weekend.
True, but Celeste, let's focus on the task and get the show started. It's officially time to lock in your senior t-shirts.
From January 26th through February 10th, seniors only can head to the finance office to place an order.
Here's what you need to know. Bring your senior ID or show your student view. Save your receipt and take it to Miss Tapman in room 3E to pick your design. The cost? Just $5.
This is your moment, class of 2026. Don't sleep on it. Rep your class, show that senior pride, and secure your shirt before it's gone.
Seniors, grad night tickets are on sale.
Get ready for an unforgettable night at Universal Studios.
Grad night 2026 is going down on May 21st, and tickets are available now in the finance office.
Ticket info. 145 includes transportation plus early park access. Seniors only. Must have a signed permission slip. You can pick one in the activities office. Bring your current high school ID to purchase.
Don't wait. Spots are limited, and this is one senior memory you don't want to miss.
Got questions? See Mrs. Barba Smith.
Finally, big shout out to Candy Avalos for winning the Getty Challenge here at Highland with her incredible artwork.
Scots, check it out. Her art piece that won her the challenge.
Amazing work, Candy. Keep it up.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Remember to ask your teachers about getting some plaid points, but make sure you show plaid before asking.
So what career are you interested in?
Nothing.
So what are you planning on doing after high school?
Maybe just stay home with my parents.
What are you planning on doing after high school? Getting a job or a career?
I might get a job, but that's a big maybe.
What are your plans, Frank?
My plan? Just to survive.
What are you planning on doing?
Living with my dad for like 10 years. Why? Is that bad?
What's your 5-year plan after high school?
5 years? Man, I'm just trying to graduate.
So what career are you interested in?
I want to be a police officer.
What's your 5-year plan?
I plan on attending college and working toward a job in law enforcement.
Wow, you have a great plan. Why is that?
Because I went to the career fair at Highland High School in my senior year.
Highland High School Career Fair, Friday, February 13th, 2026, lunchtime, Highland High School Gym.
Hi Scots, I'm Lily. Highland is offering free vision care for students, eye exams and prescription glasses included. Sign up with Ms. Rodriguez in the front office or your counselor. The deadline is February 18th and the space is limited. Parents, guardians will be contacted to finish the registration. Don't miss out.
Hey, do you know where the counselor's office is?
Yeah, it's right here. Let me show you.
This is Mr. Sweet's office.
This is Mrs. Barrick's office.
Mr. Ramirez,
Mrs. Martinez.
Mr. S. Ramirez. Mr. Moran.
Mrs. Diaz.
And Miss Dunkel. Did you know that this week was Counselors Appreciation Week? Go in, give them a high five, and thank them for everything that they've done for you.
Welcome back.
Now let's head over to our sports teams.
Hey, what's up, Scots? This is Julian Jackson.
And I'm Christopher Castillo, bringing you the energy about sports.
Hey, it's time to lock in, everyone.
Let's jump straight into sports announcements.
Attention all frost-off and JV baseball players.
Starting next Monday, February 2nd, mandatory practice tryouts will be held on the JV baseball field immediately after school.
Make sure to have your gear ready for some baseball practice.
The girls wrestling team was at BHS this past week and came back with their 5th consecutive league championship.
Hey, this is dedication to their hard work and sacrifices throughout the whole year. Hey, congratulations, ladies.
Next up is postseason. Good luck, ladies.
Hey, also shout out to the boys JV team for winning their league title. Congratulations, boys. Boys Wrestling CIF Division II Championships, February 13th through 14th at Lemoore High School.
Girls Wrestling CIF Division I Championships, February 13th at Golden Valley High School. Get ready for Super Bowl happening this Sunday, February 8th, 2026 at Levi Stadium.
Seattle Seahawks versus the New England Patriots, kickoff 3:30 p.m.
Where to watch? NBC, Peacock, or NFL app.
Halftime show, Bad Bunny.
Don't miss the biggest game of the year.
And that's a wrap for sports.
Hope you have an awesome day, Scots.
Stay winning. Peace out, Scots.
Thank you for the update.
Check out this new segment on Scots Weekly.
up, Highland? It is Chloe, and welcome to an episode of Chloe 101. Today we are interviewing students and staff. Let's go. Hi, who am I with?
I'm with Natalie.
Narina. And what is your guys' favorite ice cream flavor?
I like cotton candy.
Mine is strawberry. Hi, who am I with today?
Olivia.
And what team are you going for the Super Bowl?
The Patriots.
Who am I with today?
I'm Jose Nava, the freshman class president.
And what are your plans for the Super Bowl weekend?
Me and my family, we gambled, and hopefully we win money off whoever wins.
Who am I with today?
Mr. Sweet.
And what is your favorite thing about Highland?
Absolutely has to be the students.
I agree. Who am I with today?
Angelina Amaral.
And what is a red flag that you find in a guy?
A red flag I find in a guy is if he's too friendly with other girls.
That's right.
I'm Mr. Camacho. I'm one of the assistant principals.
And what is your favorite anime?
Right now, I'd say Black Clover.
Scots, it's a secret. This is for the guys that are struggling to ask girls to be their Valentine. Step 1, approach them. Step 2, stare into the soul. Step 3, and the final step, say a pickup line. Are you Wi-Fi? Because I feel a strong connection.
Wow, thank you so much. That makes me feel so loved.
You're welcome, Scots. That's all for now, Scots. I'll see you in another episode of Chloe 101.
I don't get this.
Me either.
This is a mess.
Stop, guys.
Can we get some help, please?
What's going on? You guys said you need help?
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know how to do this.
Oh, you guys, when you're on Scratch, you just need to make sure you put the variables first and then put the backdrops. You guys are putting the backdrops first.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and then you guys are good.
Okay. No, thank you. It. Wow. Yes, we should give him 5 points. Oh, sorry. There. Ready?
Hey Scots, we've got amazing news for you. You can give plaid points to your teachers to show appreciation for all they do.
Whether it's for extra help, kindness, or just being awesome, teachers deserve the love too.
Just scan the QR code and fill out the Google form. It's quick, easy, and a great way to say thank you.
Let's spread some positivity on campus, one teacher at a time.
Back to you.
I got it.
And then we'll just put the video together.
Oh, that was a good one. He put this trash in the trash can.
Okay, we're gonna give him plaid points for keeping the campus clean. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey Scots, it's me again, Lily. AP students, AP tests are still available with the $40 late fee except for the government exam. But you must get your payment into the finance office by February 20th. If you opt for the split payment plan, the remainder is due by February 20th. If you pay $20 per test, you are done and you don't owe any more money.
That's it for today.
We'll see y'all next week.
And always
remember to